All right, the origins of the Treble name, the Treble brand. One thing that's interesting is when you look at our symbol, our delta, that actually was part of our brand before we even knew the name was going to be Treble. Carol and I, we fell in love with the delta symbol, the symbol for change, which is in the physical realm, change in the mental realm, and change socially. So those big three. So when we knew that we wanted the delta, we wanted the symbol for change. We started looking at how we were going to implement that with our overall branding approach, and we kept falling back on these big threes. Everything came in threes, and that kind of led ourselves to looking at different names. Treble being one of them. So if you look at our delta right here, the symbol for change, we also have baked into the path to mastery. That was one other thing that I really wanted with a logo that we had or symbol. So just more interesting feedback for you. When you see our delta, know that that was actually part of the brand before the treble name was.